So it's a little bit of an experiment. It's a little bit of an experiment.
Tank pressure is 225.
Yeah, but the outlet's 85, but as soon as we open this, it'll drop down to 70.
So we've got 36.9% humidity at 75 degrees inside.
So wait, say that again, it's 75 degrees.
It's 75.7 degrees. It's 36.5% humidity.
What is this? That's to vent it off when you're done, so you can open the tank to refill it.
I've got a timer, so we can do our timer. Let's start it when it's time. I remember how it works. Or stopwatch, actually, I think that's what I want.
Okay?
Ready?
When you are.
Yeah.
Ready? Here we go.
Take a reading every minute.
Okay. So this one has a coarser droplet size. It looks like
What's the nozzle type on this?
this is the 60.
8.
And what's our pressure right now, Ken? That we're discharging at?
A little low.
Can you bump it up, please, to 80 psi?
No, not 80.
What are we going up to?
75, that's what it's called for.
Well, it's all for range, right?
Yeah, so that's better. I like that better. So now it's temperature is dropping.
Sorry to come to your office.
Oh, that's my entertainment for
We're approaching the 1 minute mark, Rich, and the humidity is now 50. 1 minute, it's 54.0. 74.8. I'm sorry, 74.6.
That's pretty quick.
Nothing. Just 20. Right now. Oh, okay. So, what should we do there?
So now it's starting to build up a little bit in the bottom parts of the room.
You can see it building?
Yeah, a little bit. You can see it down. You can see it down over here. Two-minute mark coming up. We are at 75.4, and it's 72.1 degrees.
Or humidity was 75.
Temperature, humidity was 70. Now it's 71 point. I'm sorry, Rich. Now it's 79.7 at 2 minutes and 20 seconds.
Okay.
Oh, now it's building up in there. You want to take a peek? Anybody want to look in? I'm up on 3 minute mark. 3 minute mark. It is 89.9.
What?
Humidity.
Okay.
And it's 69.7 degrees.
So as a reference, I don't see a significant change yet.
Ninety 96 point.
Right, you're not there yet. 4 minutes.
At the 4-minute mark, it is 99.3%, 99.5% humidity, and it's 69 point, I think that's 7 degrees.
Pressure is now below the 7, starting to drop down.
Okay, all right, want to shut it off?
Sure. Turned off at 4:22.
422 off. Okay,
Yeah, let it sit for a bit.
now let it sit for a little bit, right?
4 minutes.
Water? Yeah, it's
He's
okay.
not dead yet?
It's water.
It's cleaner than anything already
It's
in
not
there.
like something closely related to CV oil or whatever.
That would be awesome, man. Think about that.
CBD oil
Think about that.
being
Wow.
injected in there.
Just living there. Have it soak through your skin.
Is that a liter of water?
Rich, come on inside. Come on in.
Okay.
So here's stuff that's actually, wet.
It looks pretty wet.
But there was contact. You might say there was contact.
It's wet up here, but not wet underneath. You know what I mean? So, yeah, so I don't know. That's the dilemma. How do we claim contact? You know?
800 milliliters.
800 milliliters?
I know.
850. 850.
Daily entertainment right here.
Okay.
That's crazy that thing filled that quick.
What you can do too is if you got a fan, anybody got a fan? You just put a fan here.
Mm.
And then dry it up quick.
Hey, your computer?
Well, yes, Cortex.
Let me dry it off.
It'll be fine.
Yeah.
It'll be fine.
Yeah. So I don't know, the underneath surfaces are not, you know what I mean, wet to the touch. The pH paper is not very
Did you dry it
useful.
off over here?
What's
You know,
that?
Did you dry it out? You know what, interestingly, over here it's damp,
Yeah.
this is wet.
Yes,
Over here it's damp,
yes.
right? So this is dry. Feel that. Painted surface dry,
Yeah.
walls dry.
Yeah.
So what happens here is it basically comes out. you
Yeah,
know,
it's in the zone.
and this is sprayed. This
Yeah.
is actually sprayed with water.
Right,
Yeah.
sprayed with water.
But here,
Hmm.
dry, dry.
Yeah,
Here, dry, right? Dry. Everything over here, dry.
Right.
Everything was exposed to the mist, but everything is dry.
right. So the question is, does that exposure to the mist, is that effective or not? So I've gotta talk to one of the chemical companies and find out what is the criteria for, because it's unobservable. You know, we don't have a way to observe it. We've reached 100% humidity effectively, and we don't have a way to observe that it's in contact and killed the, I don't know how to defend that right now if I were talking to a customer.